NUKK stock analysis, Thursday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Nukkleus has been sitting at $36.24 and it is like 12.5% down for the day. And the way that I'm observing this market is I want to take things higher. For sure, but like it's not that I'm going to randomly buy. Context, I've done 33,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships over the last 4 years. And I mean, I've had a lot of experience to see what has worked for me and a lot of data to back my stuff up. My own data that I've accumulated. And with NUKK, I know like it was 28x, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 28x is crazy numbers, but it's not like it's still over, because if I see a proper double break, there's nothing stopping me from adding even more positions here. And again, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice, and I'm waiting for the rules to be met in order for me to move forward. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.